Today, I wanted to show you my hair and how it looks after 1 week of coloring my hair. To prevent my hair from further damage, I decided to try the OLAPLEX Complete System. I absolutely love OLAPLEX on my relaxed hair, and so I decided that I wanted to treat myself with the Complete System. Although OLAPLEX is not a protein treatment, it can help to restore damage to compromised hair from repairing from inside out. So if you have already tried OLAPLEX, give this video a thumbs up. You guys should really check out OLAPLEX because OLAPLEX repairs all sorts of damage to hair from curling irons, blow dryers, flat irons, and color treated hair. So I'm starting off with the number 0, and I'm starting off on dry, dirty hair. According to the instructions, you should not wash your hair first. Start off on dirty hair. After working it in, I noticed that my hair started to feel gunky from what was on it before. I'm going to leave that on for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to go right into the number 3. Now I'm going to be applying the number 3 right on top of the number 0. Guys, have you tried OLAPLEX before? Did your hair improve over time? Comment below. So after leaving it on my hair for about 10 minutes, this is the result of my hair. And now I'm going to be washing my hair with a number 4. And this gave me a super awesome lather. And my hair doesn't even feel stripped. It have this silky feeling on my hair. Now this could be because I hardly have any hair. But after washing it out, my hair did not feel stripped at all. So I went ahead and added the number 5, which is the conditioner. And this conditioner, it's the Bond Maintenance Conditioner, the number 5, that repairs and strengthens and nourishes the hair. It doesn't matter what type of texture you have, it can help. And so I went ahead and did that. And it's a super thick conditioner. And it really helped to soften up my hair a bit. Now I went ahead and used the number 8, which is the deep conditioner, which is a hair mask that is going to hydrate the hair. So don't get confused with the number 3 and the number 8. They're completely two different things. So OLAPLEX works to repair broken bonds. How does it do that? This word is a single molecule that dramatically improves your hair strength, protects it from within, and provides immediate results for all types of hair. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving that on my hair for about 25 minutes. I'm going to be using my heat cap. This is a new heat cap that was gifted to me last year. And I can't get enough of this heat cap. But what was amazing is after using the hair mask, it made my hair feel silky and it absorbed completely into my hair strands. So then I washed that out and went ahead to use the leave-in conditioner, the number 6, and applied it to my hair. Then I went ahead to detangle my hair just like so. And then I decided that I'm going to use the hair bonding serum that came in the system. And I decided to take a few drops to seal in the moisture from the leave-in conditioner. Then I decided to go ahead and style my hair. So if you guys haven't seen how I use this product to get some curls, you guys can check that out in the cards above. For today, I decided that I would like to get a sleek look by brushing to get some really curls or waves in my hair. But at the final results, you're going to see that this is a product that is to give curls and not to give the type of waves that I was looking for. If you guys know something that I can use that may have been better in order to get the flat look of the wavy look that I was trying to get to achieve with this product, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you are learning or seeing something that you like. So I wasn't certain how the style would turn out, but comment down below. Let me know if the hairstyle turned out really good. To me, it could have been better if I had used a different styling product, but that is what came to mind at the time, and I was trying to see how I can get it done. But just comment below and let me know what you think. So this is the final results, you guys. If you like what you see, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.